I never fit in, I was an outcast. In grade school, outblasting my outcasts. And now pass, I'm running to catch a route.
Guys, I'm so upset. I'm so upset. So I was washing my, look at it, it's so bad. I was washing my face, right? And I was using this mud mask that I use all the time. It burns. What the heck? Okay, we'll call mommy. She'll fix it. Actually, mom called and was like, hey, have you been out in the sun? So we came to the conclusion that face mask totally like had a reaction with the sun. So now I have sun poisoning on my face. And it burns a lot. Like you can, it feels like a sunburn. Like if you put your hands like really close, you could feel heat. Just my luck, but it's okay. I'm getting Starbucks. Life is good. Guys, I got Natalie a drink and a cake pop. She's gonna love me. She better love me. She's always in a bad mood after school, so you'll see. One more label try to stop me. There's gonna be some dread in a lot. You don't want no problem with me. Tess, I miss you. In the middle of the party, get off me. It's special, but I treat you like my equal, never listen. I was 26 years old when Hey Nat, are you enjoying this? Hey Mom, why aren't you watching this?
I'm multitasking.
Yeah?
I'm watching, listening.
What part are we at?
He's watching a movie. Bad movie. Hey, you filthy animal.
Nicholas, are you enjoying this?
You filthy animal.